Welcome to new session, and in this session we are going to learn 3D printing in FreeCAD. We will learn how we can export FreeCAD part file and how to use that FreeCAD part in a 3D printer software. So here is a part. To 3D print this software, first we have to save this part in the form of STL file. So select the body, go to the file and click on export, and from here file extension type select STL mesh and save our part. And now as we have fully exported our part, now we will install the 3D printer software. For 3D printing, this Prusa slicer is the best software because this is the open source. If you go on a software, you can find here that Prusa slicer is an open source. So here you will get a two option: download drivers and apps and standalone installation. So this is the very heavy one because it will come with all the apps. I would recommend to download this standalone installer, and once you click on this standalone installer, it will get installed. So here my Prusa slicer is installing, so wait for it. So here is our 3D printing software. Now we will import our part. So click on the file, click on the import and click on this first one, import STL step. So click on it, click open. So here is our part has been open in a software. Now by clicking on here first icon, we can change the orientation of our part using the rotate options like this, or we can also scale up our part. Now once you are okay with the orientation of your part, then click on here slice. So now software will slice our part. So here slicing has been done. Now here are the details. So if you look that here estimated printing time, so this part will take approximately 6 hours 36 minutes, and we can see the slices, like if we start from the 0, so how the 3D printing will start. So as you move the slider, you can see the your 3D printing process. And now here on the export option, you can export the G code. This is all about this session, how to export our FreeCAD part as a STL file and import that STL file in 3D printing software Prusa Slicer, and how we have calculated the estimated printing time. So this is all about this sessions. Thank you for watching.